Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to delete all mails on Gmail at once. So just open your Gmail application, okay, and then press and hold that specific message to delete it, okay, and then do the same to the other message like this one, okay, press and hold. Then now tap on the bean icon at the top corner of your screen. Okay, that one. Okay, so now to locate these files that you have just deleted, tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Okay, and then tap on the bean icon, that one from the list of the options. Now you can see the messages that you have just deleted. So in order to delete all that at once, just tap on the empty bin now. Okay, so just tap on empty again to confirm. And that's it. The messages that you have just deleted now deleted at once. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.